Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change the language on the Nokia Smart TV. And to do this, let's take a look on the remote that we have for this TV. And on the left side, bottom side, there's a language button. But if you click on it, on this specific occasion, there's no function for that button. And to actually change the language, we'll need to enter our home. So there's a button for it right here. Now move to the right side of your TV so that you can select the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. Now scroll down for the settings in device preferences. And there's a language right here. It's the globe icon. You can click on OK to choose your preferred language. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.